The future perfect tense is used to talk about actions that will be completed at a specific time in the future. This tense can be very useful for rideshare drivers who need to plan their trips and make sure to arrive at a certain time. Let's look at some examples to see how the future perfect tense can be used in this context. 1. By the time I reach the airport, I will have picked up my passenger and dropped them off at their destination. 2. I am confident that I will have completed my trip to the city center before rush hour traffic starts. 3. By the time I reach the restaurant, I will have driven through all the major intersections without any delays. 4. When I arrive at the train station, I will have picked up and dropped off 3 passengers along the way. 5. By the time I get to the concert hall, I will have driven 50 miles without any issues. When I reach the shopping mall, I will have completed 5 trips for the day. 7. By the time I reach the hospital, I will have driven for 6 hours straight. 8. When I arrive at the office building, I will have navigated through the downtown area without getting lost. 9. By the time I get to the park, I will have given 5 passengers a ride. 10. When I reach the hotel, I will have earned a good amount of money for the day. In conclusion, the future perfect tense is a valuable tool for rideshare drivers who want to ensure that they complete their trips by certain times. By using this tense correctly, drivers can communicate their plans effectively and make sure that they reach their destinations on time. Practice using the future perfect tense in your daily conversations to improve your English skills and become a more efficient rideshare driver.